This Bronco came in for a fresh new look, and now it's standing out in all the right ways. Starting with the details, because the small things make a big difference. The front and rear badging got a custom pink wrap, giving this Bronco a unique, eye-catching touch. Clean lines, precision work, and a smooth finish make all the difference in bringing the look together. With custom pink accents on the roof, side graphics, and front and rear badging, this isn't your standard factory finish. It's got personality. Every detail was carefully installed for a clean, seamless result. The contrast between the white paint, black trim, and pink wrap gives it a bold, custom touch without going over the top. Sometimes, it's the little details that make the biggest difference. To complete the look, we wrap the roof in the same vibrant satin pink, tying everything together. Sometimes, it's not about a full color change. It's about those custom touches that bring out personality and style. What do you think of this transformation? Let us know in the comments.